Chukburuk chassis leg. So this is the chassis leg that you saw us assemble earlier. Yeah, so we're probably in the UK, we're the only garage that actually goes to the extent we did to restore these vehicles. We've made every component on this chassis leg. This chassis leg has been made out of 1.5 steel, which makes it twice as sturdy as the original one. And we've also stitch welded all the components and reinforced them, so they can't, there's not going to be any flex or anything like that on them. So yeah, so what we're going to do now is we're going to put the chassis leg on, we're going to put the floor on, and yeah, start building it back up. So yeah, we'll put it on the time lapse for you as usual, and I hope you enjoy. got the panels back out of the spray booth, which Jamie just painted for us. And so what we're going to do now, we're going to reassemble them on the bench. We're going to put all the floor together, and we're going to attach the chassis legs onto the floors, and then we're going to put it into the vehicle. That's probably the easiest way to do it, because we can just get a spot welder under here. It's a lot easier to do it on the bench than it is to do it in the car. So yeah, that's what we're going to do now. That's the next step. Yeah, so that shouldn't take us too long, maybe 3-4 days.